Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to take a minute and go over the installation of the cheek box for the mic in the XP helmets that I make. This wasn't done when I did the videos for the assembly of these helmets. So it fits right in here. It's a resin piece that just fits in there. If you're doing Empire, you want to put it on the right side. Just glues in there. And you also, if you're doing Empire, you'll want to get the ESP mic tip opposed to the standard mic tip. So just scuff the parts. I scuffed this. It's already got a hole drilled in it for the wire. Scuff the helmet where you want to, and just glue it in. So I run a bead of glue around the edge of the box on the inside of the helmet. Kind of stitch it in there. And then, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but just set it in there. Make sure it fits in kind of snug. Spray it and you're all done. I do this before I install the dome and lens in the helmet, just so I don't risk getting anything on the lens. And there's a little bit more room to work when there's not a bunch of stuff in there. So that's it. When I send out assembled helmets, these are not glued in, so you'll have to, when you paint your helmet, paint your mic tip, and then glue it into place. You can trim it if you want to, but that's it. So it just fits in nice and snug, little CA glue. That's it. If you have any questions, hit me up. DarthHair@yahoo.com. Thanks.